Hey guys, it's me again. So I've already showed you how to find a WebEx, and so once you're in Blackboard, I just wanted to take a few minutes to go through and talk about, how to navigate through our Blackboard course. You can probably hear my dogs in the background, and I'm sorry for that, but we'll just keep moving right along. So once you find our course and you click into it, you'll see you've got a lot of stuff over here. Now this says it's currently unavailable, so I'm going to go into student mode really quick. So yours will look something more like this. So you're always going to come first to your announcements page. Please be sure that you read all the announcements that are posted. I will try to post announcements regularly and try to be as detailed as possible. If there are things that you don't understand that are posted in the announcements, please let me know. You can also access them at any point by hitting the announcements tab over here on the left. Also over here on the left-hand menu bar is the syllabus and course info link. So if you click there, this will have, just our basic course info. It's got our syllabus, it's got our PACE guide, so you can click and open up our PACE guide. This is just kind of the schedule for the course. And then it's got, the WebEx information here as well. So in case you have trouble finding WebEx, you can always find it under course info as well. If you need to email me, my email is all over the place, but you can always find it under the instructor part of Blackboard. So my email address is here. Since we are working virtually, I am only accepting email right now. If you need to set up a time to talk, then let's set up a virtual office hour time and use this link right here. I will make myself available on Thursdays from 10:30 to 12:30. I think I mentioned that in the welcome video if you watched that. And so if you need help or you have questions about stuff, feel free to drop in during office hours virtually using this virtual office hour link. On the left hand menu bar, the next thing that we have is coursework. So if we click on coursework, it may look a little bit different from you guys from your page right now, but this is essentially what we're going to see. We've got a beautiful scientific calculator that I've linked to for you guys, so this is free to use. It's just a basic calculator. You can come in here and play around with it. This is going to be your discussion board that links to Connect Math. So this does not count towards your attendance. It's just here for you to post questions. So hopefully if you are going through the course and you're running into problem areas, take a screenshot or a picture and post the question in the discussion board. And so maybe your classmates can help you answer it, especially if I can't get back to the email as quick as you need me to. If you don't know how to take a picture or post a screenshot, shoot me an email and I'll be glad to kind of help walk you through that process. There's your Connect Math information that'll be here, but really what you're going to need to do is click Getting Started. And so yours will look pretty plain. It won't have this folder down here. So it's just a welcome message. It's got your syllabus quiz. You do need to take your syllabus quiz by the census date, which I believe is sometime next week. We can check the syllabus for that information. And then once you do that, your growth mindset activity will appear. And so what will happen is you'll need to go in, and the first thing you're going to do in the class is start your growth mindset. So it's really important that we talk about growth mindset and we have the right attitude towards learning. You all can all do this math. It's not impossible. I totally believe in you. So we just need to have a positive mindset that we believe in growth. And so this is a kind of self-assessment quiz. You can click and it'll open up an Excel document that you can download. Mine downloaded here. And then, see what your growth mindset number is. Then what I'd like you to do is watch the video and then take the growth mindset quiz. It's not really a quiz, like you need to get the answers right and wrong for everything. It's a little bit more of reflection. So what do you think these numbers mean? That kind of thing. If you find this kind of thing interesting, I've linked to some other videos down here just as a reference. Totally optional. So when you get done, you will go back to coursework, and now you're going to have at least the Unit 1 folder open. The Unit 2, 3, and 4 folder will open as you complete assignments in Unit 1. So when you click into Unit 1, you've got several folders in here as well as assignments. So this is all you'll see initially. Each unit folder is set up the same way. So these are your downloadable notes and individual labs if you want to download the individual labs. And then you will have Unit 1 videos. So I've already started uploading your Unit 1 videos. The videos are a little bit of a tedious process, you guys. So I'm going to try to get as far ahead of you as I can. but these videos are pretty cool. So they're based in YouTube. If you need closed captioning, please let me know so I can turn that feature on for you. But you'll notice you've got some bubbles down here. And so as you watch these videos, there will be some knowledge checks or some notes that pop up. And so just to show you an option or show you an example, you'll be watching the video and then this question will pop up. What do you think this means? You can go back and rewatch, or you can skip it, or you can turn in an answer. So these little knowledge checks throughout all the videos. They are not graded. They're just a way for you to check your understanding. I would love if they could be incorporated into your participation grade, but at this point, you know, we've moved online pretty suddenly, so I'm not going to require that as a grade. I would encourage you to do them, though. So Unit 1 videos are here. If you go back to your whole Unit 1 folder, the next thing that you'll notice is you have your lab submissions. So each unit is going to have a series of labs. And so this one has 4 required and 1 optional. So these labs are not long. They are meant to be just practice problems, short, quick, to the point. Some of the labs, if they look like this, means that it's like set up like a quiz or a test where you have to go in and type in answers or answer questions. If you've got this kind of icon, it means that you're going to need to scan and upload your work. You can do that by downloading the notes and just saving the file and then turning that file in, like if you can do it all digitally. If you've got a printer at home and you prefer to print it, you can definitely print it and then take a picture of it through some apps and upload it here. Again, if you don't know how to do those kind of things, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you and support you. You know, our primary goal in this class is really to focus on getting you through MAT043 and supporting that. But, you know, we also know that there are a lot of other skills that students may not have at this point. And, you know, if you don't know how to upload a document, cool, that's totally fine. I can show you how to do that. But these are all in here. The other things I want to show you are you'll have a discussion board each week. So they will close each Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you get your discussion boards done in a timely manner because you will have to respond to others. And then each unit is going to have a notebook check. So the idea for the notebook check is that it's going to count towards your academic habits grade. You can turn them in as you go, which I think is the easiest, or you can turn them all in at the end. So if you download these fillable notes and you fill in everything, or if you want to print them, I mean, they're pretty long, I'm not going to lie, but you know, if you decide to print them, you can do that. But the idea is that you have some kind of notes that are similar to this if you decide to write your own, or are these filled in if you decide to utilize the digital copy or the printed copy. But the idea is to fill these out and then submit them through the notebook check, upload them and submit them there. Again, I'm not going to put a due date on this. You can do it at the very end of the 8 weeks, or you can do it as we go. It may be smarter to do it as you go, but I'll try to throw some reminders out just in case. So that is what your unit folders look like. The rest of the stuff in Blackboard, we've talked about coursework. There's another video on the Tuesday live sessions I've already talked about. This is your resources tab. So your resources are things like another Connect Math link, some Connect Math resources, and then the CPCC help desk. So these are all things that you can use if you feel you need to. I may add to them as we go. There are your grades. Your grade book is not finally set up yet. I'm a little behind on that, so just be patient with me. I'll get it set up for you guys, and then we can talk about it. If you're interested in the grading breakdown, you can check out the syllabus, and we will talk about it more when we meet face-to-face. So that's a summary and tour of our Blackboard course. If you have any questions about how to access anything in Blackboard, again, don't hesitate to ask. I am free to help explain anything that you guys think might be important. So I hope this was helpful, and good luck, and I'll see you soon.